Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Tech Baller, and he's on another lit-ass show. Woo! Yeah! It's time to get it, y'all. Y'all ready to get it? Y'all ready to get this paper? Because I know I'm ready. As y'all can see, your boy is at it again, sporting more lit style from the old phone farming business and much more. We got the pimpness on the Batman cap. We got the OG Punisher chain. This is no joke. We ain't gonna sit up here and not sport it today. You know what I'm saying? Just to sit up here and show we having fun with this. And the Boss Hip Hop wear. As you can see, 100% grinding all day, baby. Now we gonna talk about this awesomeness known as Swagbucks today. Y'all may have heard about it. I talked about it in a previous YouTube episode, but this app is fundamentally amazing, you guys. I mean, the money that you can make is pretty intensely cool. And I want to show you the progress that I made just because I used Swagbucks. Sure, you watch videos, you get paid. You shop, you get paid. There's so many methods on their site as well as the app that are very useful. And I would like to cover that today when it comes to this video. Y'all want to get paid. Y'all want to earn. Smash that like button. Subscribe today because the powerful information that I'm dropping, I hope it changes your lives and makes everything brand new. Let's get this paper today. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Yo, what's up, my awesome YouTubers?
Are you listening?
This is your boy, the Tech Baller. He's on another lit segment.
Damn.
Ready to give you what you want and more money, information. I said we were gonna get into it, and let's do it. Here we go. The awesome Swagbucks app. Now, as you can see in this app, it's pretty impressive. You got a lot of videos that you can pretty much watch to get paid, and it is very simple to use. Now, as you can see at the bottom here, in the lower left corner, you've got a lot of different options. So let me focus this camera real quick so y'all can see what I'm talking about. You got your watch, you got your answer questions, your shopping button, discover, and you can also invite friends. And if you do, sorry about the light, if you do decide to invite your friends, say you invite one, you refer friends and earn 10% for the rest of your life. You can there's so many other ways to do this. You can even text your friends and get paid, guys. This is a very awesome opportunity to get some money. And you can also earn multiple amounts of swag points for doing all kinds of tasks as well. And as you can see here, you can earn all types of Swagbucks just by cashing back and shopping at some of your favorite stores that are listed here too. There's a bunch of different stores here that you can use to get your swag points on. Everything from 1-800 Fresh Start, 1-800 Baskets, Florals, Flowers.com, 100% Pure, and it just goes on and on and on. In the Discover section, you've got Spread the Joy, Share a Coke. You go to that website, you get 9 Swagbucks. You got Help to Save the Children there. You go and visit their website. You make a donation of at least $18 or more. You get 1,500 Swagbucks just for doing that. And these are tasks that you can do just to get paid all these Swagbucks. Super, super easy stuff. Now in the watch section, you watch these videos, guys, just let it run. It's very passive, and it will pay you. Now, from time to time, you might have to click the add key every now and then, you know, so that the videos can continue, but it's pretty passive, and it will pay you. And as you can see, I mean, I just recently cashed out again, and I'll even show you what I earned. I'm up to 51 awesome Swagbucks pretty much in the upper corner here. And there's so much progress that I have made. Very, very easy stuff, guys. And in the upper left-hand corner, if I watch 2 more videos, I earn another bonus in swag points very, very shortly. All you do, tap the front and let it run. And it'll load, and the commercials will start loading. This is how you know that you are getting paid. And it may take a few seconds, but you'll see what I'm talking about here. Now, this is the countdown section right here. You're going to see ads pop up once in a while. Once you get past these ads, it'll go to that next video. And after that, you will start getting paid. Every now and then, like I said, you might want to click the button just a little bit, you know, just to get it past that real quick. So, and hopefully it doesn't stall, you know, a little, but it should go rather quickly. Give me a second here. As you can see, the ad is playing on Swagbucks. I got that to work right off the bat. I pressed through the keys and just kind of got stuck for a second. But as you can see, as long as this ad is playing, you guys know that you are getting paid. And I'm telling you, this app is OG. I love it, and I highly recommend it to all of you so that you can use it and enjoy the benefits of using it. Now, we're going to get into what I got with it, all because of what kind of awesomeness this did for me. Yeah, my fans, now we getting into what I got with good old Swagbucks. Now, as you can see, this right here is the U8 awesome Android smartwatch. This bad boy is pretty amazing. I got that from the swag points that I received from visiting the sites. Noir, an awesome cologne straight from Bath and Body Works. Absolutely love it. Smells absolutely amazing. Gotta love it. It's a very nice transport. You got Bourbon. Awesome body wash. You can also get that at Bath and Body Works. It is incredibly good, guys. This stuff smells amazing. You can't not enjoy this. I got the Raid 2. This movie is so good, guys. I would recommend it to anyone. Non-stop action and martial arts off the charts. You cannot not watch this. Too good. And then, Scott Pilgrim vs. the World, guys. If you're an anime fan, definitely watch it. It's a game changer, it's a lot of fun, and it's incredibly cool. And at the same time, video game, anime, and martial arts action that you cannot miss. You will really enjoy the whole setup. I really love the play. If you like my show today, guys, like and smash that like button for more awesome money-earning videos and